Nathan Gagnac.
Malé Dorian. Today we are going to talk about pétanque. Pétanque is a game of balls, meaning in provençal jeu à pied planté. It is a game derived from the Provençal game, a game very close to the Bouillonnaise, but with simpler rules, smaller balls, and which can be played on a more irregular ground. It was this Provençal game that gave birth to the famous pétanque in 1907. However, it was not until 1910 that the term pétanque was made official, and 1927 that its rules were codified. It is a popular sport played on all continents and has become one of the most widespread sports in the world. Pétanque is played in France, Belgium, Italy, and also Madagascar and Morocco, which are a very good team.
The aim of the game is to get as close as possible to the goal or jack to score points. This can be done in head-to-head, in doublet, or in triplet. In doublets and head-to-head, the players have 3 balls each, while in triplets, the players have 2 balls each. In each team, there are usually scorers and shooters. The former are responsible for throwing their balls as close to the goal as possible, and the latter for shooting the opposing balls when they are too close. A game is played in 13 points. The balls used are metal, steel, with a diameter of between 70.5 and 80 millimeters and a weight of between 650 and 800 grams, and the goal is made of wood or plastic with diameter of 30 millimeters.
Pétanque is a very family sport that is often played with the family during the holidays, for example. The advantage of this sport is that we can play it in different places and not necessarily on a specialized court. Indeed, all you need is a flat ground at the beach. A pass can do the trick. Moreover, you don't need a large number of players to be able to play because from 2 players a game is possible. Children can also play with older players. However, pétanque is an outdoor sport, so it is less enjoyable in bad weather. As the balls are a bit heavy, a set of balls can be difficult to carry for children or older people.
For people with disabilities, there is boccia, which has the same objective as pétanque. Each team has to throw rubber balls as close as possible to a goal. Participants in wheelchair can throw their balls by hand, with their feet, or with the help of a ramp. Pétanque is a competitive sport because also is very friendly. Many members train in a club several times a week and participate in competitions at weekends. There is a federation, like the French Federation of Pétanque and Provençal Game, which was created on July 31, 1945.